Morning, Ian of Sacred Heart Friction Fire. So one of the things about learning to welcome the ancestral fire with rubbing sticks is practice. Don't give up, just keep practicing. It may take you a while, and doing it with awareness. Slow down and sort of become aware of what I'm doing. Things fall into place. So Saturday when I was filming for video, the piece of hazel I chose wasn't able to coax the ember. So after 3 goes I decided to swap, because it was evident after 3 goes that the ember was not going to be coaxed. So today I'm revisiting that board just to have another look at it, see if it does feel a bit drier. So yeah, and it's just about practice, and for me, connecting to ancestors, to the land, to nature, and through rubbing sticks, it's my way of honouring the ancestral fire. Right, just going to go steadily, not pressing down too hard, not going too fast either. Actually, I'm going to slow right down. So because last year I had a house-load new bow thingamajig. So I encourage people to slow down. Instead of seeing how fast you can bow, how slow you can bow. Surprisingly, nobody took me up on my challenge. So I can see the dust in the notch. So I'm just going to keep it at this pace. Okay, speed it up a little bit. Let's stop and have a look. So it's still smoking, which is a positive sign. Welcome ancestral embryonic fire. So this was using the same piece of hazel that I used on Saturday, and on Saturday I was not able to coax the fire out of hiding. So I revisited it today. It was a little bit drier. I hadn't stored it inside, it was still stored outside in my shelter, but it did feel a bit drier, and I just slowed down, very light pressure, slow down a little bit, increase it a little bit at the end, and as you can see we have got an ember. That glowing orb is thousands of years, a million years of the ancestry of our interaction with fire. Fire is key to the evolution of our species. Just amazing to think of how many possibilities there are in that little glowing orb. We will not have bronze without fire. We will not have steel without fire. Welcome, 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 ancestral fire.